I told him. I told him. What's the hit thing on this? One hit kill?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Oh, do we have a medic?
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah. This is it. That's all we get.
Yeah.
One line.
Ice.
Hold the Alamo.
They coming out?
No, we're just fucking with them. Making sure they don't, all come out at once.
Hey, hey.
I was letting you know I was here.
It's shipping. I got him.
Half of your gun sucks.
What?
The half of your gun sucks.
Oh, I know. I'm so mad at it right now. I think I threw a mag with 2/8 in it, to be honest. At least I hope I did. It's so bad.
Oh, right there. That's it.
One guy got out.
I think he's ricocheting off the ring.
I know, I'm trying to curve him into the door. It's working.
One down, one down.
I was getting shot in the back. I'm like, well, I don't know if I got you. What about up here?
I know. I got something right now. I'm like, that's not, you can't. Another one out. Another one out.
I'll stay with this one and move over.
That was gross.
Mark skill here.
Another one. Same
Dude,
one
they're
that
not going
was
past a certain point.
Reloading.
Two runners.
Reload.
Another runner.
Guy out.
We got 3 out. He's hit. Got 2 out. Got another one. I'm not closer. One guy came back in, one guy ran out. The guy trying to flank us. Down blue. He's a big boy. Can't miss him.
Shipping.
One guy out.
This guy's coming out of the truck.
Got another runner.
He's it. You guys got control of outside. Oh, he's it.
Way to drop. Look out!
He's dead. He's dead.
All right.
Oh, friends, we got 2 people out.
2 people out? I see them behind the tires.
There's a guy right behind that pink and black wall.
Reload.
Pink and black wall.
Right in front of us. Right in front of us. This thing. He's right behind there.
Okay.
Second.
Well, I got left.
I got him. I got him.
Nice.
Yeah, what were you looking for? Pink and black wall. What were you looking for?
Hanging out watching the show.
Just hanging out.
Brother. He's out.
Still a guy behind there though. Still a guy behind
Another
there.
one back there?
Yeah.
Sure is.
The S&P. Guy coming out of the garage. Reload.
That's on the other side.
Not mine. You take my vest.
Oh, this mag bounce forever.
Come on out.
That guy likes coming out.
Yep, both of them. One to the left, one to the right.
I got the right side a little.
I got left. There's 3 now behind there.
Jesus. They're gonna try to overtake us. Four. One more. He's hit. One's down.
Nice shot, nice shot.
No one moving.
Another behind the tire. There's 2 behind the tire.
Nice.
I got 2 shooting at me.
One, that right one.
Tap his head down. Reload. Direction.
Last mag. Going to pistol next.
One out.
How much longer do we have?
I don't know.
Is it a 10-minute game?
We're doing pretty good.
Poke that head out again.
I got a pistol if you need it.
I got pistol for backup.
Got somebody out. Blue sweatshirt.
Yeah, I've seen him.
Do it. You want.
Waving him.
Come on, somebody make a move.
Do it. You want.
Nothing.
Nothing. Really want to shoot that kid in the window.
Don't let the Mexicans in.
Who are they? I mean, I'm just saying the same kill people.
Well, none of them kids are coming outside.
Hit.
Oh shit. Shooting me, bud.
Another one out. We got 2. He's hit. Got my eye in the sky.
Nice. Took them both. Down to 1 or 2 out here. So that one kid's been behind them barrels.
There's one right behind you.
Got a nice fucking balance, man.
Good shot. You're not even like, the problem is
Going out. Nice.
Timed that perfect.
Both did. No one had that. Reloading.
He's down, he's down.
Last mag.
And M4 behind you. They pass.
What's that?
He needs the M4.
That's 36.
I know, they're talking about doing what they got.
Oh. Alright, right on. I have my 2 pistols still. Gotta use them, obviously. I went out.
Oh yeah, he's got it.
He's down.
Hey.
Shit, just me, huh?
Oh, that was
It has to be 10 minutes by now. You've been out here.
They probably forgot again they're going.
Let's see how long you can last.
I got hit right in the tip of my thumb.
Basically, we
I
go.
took one right to the throat. Ooh, yeah.
Right on top of the helmet. So I didn't do that.
Hit! Son of a bitch!
Hit.
Game!
But how long did we last?